Hey you guys, it's your girl Kiera. Welcome back to my channel. So we are headed to San Juan, Puerto Rico. We got Aria and Amber. We're at Dallas Fort Worth Airport right now, waiting on our flight to leave. So yeah, we'll see y'all once we make it.
Atención, la temperatura en San Juan es 80 grados Fahrenheit, 27 Celsius. Queremos darles gracias por su atención. Si nos dan unos unos minutos.
All right, you guys, so we are at our Airbnb. I bet you got this AC heating. Gotta be. Yeah, look. So y'all, we got these baggies, little party bag. This might be the only one that survived, because a lot of them, as you can see, the airport, they just did a horrible job with my bag. But it has a little candy mail that says chapter 26, Kiera creates chaos. We got a shot glass with everybody initial hand sanitizer, some gum, some chapstick, a water bottle. We got a shot of Crown, a little sucker, and a mirror. Period. Like, you gotta be cute at all times. But yeah, so y'all, the airport, they broke my bottle of Crown, which I'm upset about. But Patron survived, but still. Lexi here, y'all.
We're gonna have to help my sister.
No. Y'all look at Lexi trying to teach.
We're gonna have to help my sister out.
Help us see.
She can't see right now.
Y'all, we're at Numero Uno. Hey. Right. Man, I want to sit outside, but it is drizzling. I feel it on my head.
Yeah.
This for YouTube, y'all.
Shut up. No, I don't like that. Your thing look like a drink.
Okay, and I look like a men's drink.
When they hear it, get this far deep. It's gonna be over.
All right. Hey. give a fuck what a nigga got if he ain't giving it. Hey, y'all look who done made it.
Like, wait, girls, wait.
Ooh. Okay. Bad back is gonna come to you.
Okay. Yeah, fine. So, must be nice. Oh.
Yes, it is. You're welcome. Thank you so much. Oh, was she not recording? Hold on.
Oh, can I have one more?
What you get, Shep? I forgot you vegan. K-A-C-E-Y. C-E-Y. E-Y, yeah, that's it, yeah.
Sorry.
You're fine. Now look at this. Y'all know I had to get Casey something. Yeah. Oh, it looks good. Let me just walk away because I ain't getting none right now.
I know. Oh my God, I want everything. Oh, they got
Yeah. Okay, I got it. Oh, we going in his late feet. Okay. Wait here. I'm done. Unless y'all want to get one, we can get one of y'all. Yeah.
Distillery, my friend. However, if you do have to tend to your snowy needs, we do have a nice little gazebo over here to our right-hand side for you guys to go on about your business. Now also, in case of an emergency, we're going to be over here to our left-hand side of the pavilion. And last but not least, my friends, that's throughout the experience where you're not drinking, remain with your mask on throughout the entire experience, except of course, when you are going to be getting your drink on, my friend. Nice tall glass windows, which is actually our first stop of the day here at the Bae and I Family Museum. And my friends, for some odd reason, it's starting to rain.
Welcome here to the Bae and I Family Museum, where Bae and I family members and employees get to congregate to create their own blends and vote and decide which blend to use for the beverage. Where is blend stored, my friends? Where's the barrels? you guys see here, there's got the wings. And with that, we're going to salute.
Salute.
Join you guys. All right, friends, I got a quick question for everybody in here. Does anyone know how rum is made? No, Danny, that's why we're here. Yes, excellent, yes. And my friends, rum is made out of 3 berries diluted to make it nice and loose, so that the yeast is able to consume it. Once the yeast consumes the molasses. In front of you, take a station that does have ingredients, my friends. See, by the way, we're not sharing stations either, my friends. It's 1 station per person, so that way everyone can make their own cocktail, my friends. So we are gonna practice Bacardi. Come on, Bacardi. Now, if you like your mojito extra sweet, you can put 3 teaspoons of sugar. If you like it a lo Danny, it's 4 teaspoons of sugar. If you don't care about your general health and well-being, it's 5 teaspoons of sugar. I'm here to give y'all options. Here we go. Now, my friends, we've already got the sugar shug on top of the lemon lines. So what I want you guys to do now is I want you guys to take your muddlers. But we will not be making mofongo today. No, we will not. We're going to hold it like a wand, like Harry Potter, like Leviosa, like what some people are doing right now, right? Yeah. And you're going to turn this upside down with your elbow facing up. And you are going to push and twist and infuse everything together. And as you're doing it, my friends, 5 seconds. Boom. Sets, come on, you want to muddle, sugar, line, twist, mix, sugar, rum, toilet, hey! Here we go. Those of you listening in the background, that's Bravo Alejandro. There you go, swirl it. By the way, this is my jam, so. Take a sip of that wonderful pina colada that you.
Are y'all ready?
Hey. You're at the diner, you're at the diner. Oh my God, baby.
My bad,
I'm gonna get y'all hoes sit. Let me get it. I'm in the middle of this. Girl, she like right now went down.
Alright, you guys, so we're about to go zip lining. There's like 11 different zip lines, free. Oh yeah, I'll show y'all throughout the ones that I'm not gonna do because I'm not doing all of them because yeah, I ain't got time for this stuff in the middle. Bree, Lexi, Ariel, and
I didn't pee because of this.
okay.
Y'all, lean back before I get my head hit. Lean back.
Woo, shit.
Not you recording on your phone now.
Bitch and scared as fuck.
Why did you do that? Do y'all hear that?
Yep. No.
There you go.
Woo!
And get one of Ariel too.
Hanging! They got my girl hanging!
I want a picture hanging.
It's like it's about to rain, y'all.
Ah, por allá.
By the time the police get here, we'll be coming back to the car. See, y'all, the umbrella's not colorful anymore.
You've arrived.
Ellos son la familia Martínez, los que siempre están. Y es que la vida es hermosa, la vida.
So the reason we stress that is because we just have that one toilet to share. And then you put paper in the Are you fine, girl?
That one is about to have
Yeah.
Three.
Puerto Rico.
She out there.
Yeah, they coasting. If she, long as she move her feet, she's okay. Because you don't have to have your hands with me.
Oh, okay.
That's why they got their damn flash on.
All right, you guys, so I posted some of the stuff that we did from the first time that I went to Puerto Rico. We did a lot more the first time because we had more time. We had way more days we spent there. We went parasailing. It was pretty lit, like, no lie. It was pretty lit. And I can't remember exactly how much it cost, but once we got done parasailing, we was on the beach, hanging out. And then fast forward to the next day, we got ready to go to snorkeling on the snorkeling cruise. And that was lit, y'all. Like, we was in there so turned, y'all. Like, that was lit. It was free, well, food was included, drinks were included, like unlimited drinks. So we was turned. And this trip here was most of us, well, pretty much all of us, first time going snorkeling. So we was excited about that as well. And then we went out to eat, y'all. And then the first time we went to go visit the umbrellas, they were colored, but this time they were not colored. And then we went ATV riding, did the little Power Ranger thing, y'all. It was lit. But like always, thanks for keeping up with Kira. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe. All right, see y'all later. Bye.